Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, students? Hope you all are fine. So now I am with you with the new lesson about basic conversations, as you can see on your screen. So let's start. Okay. First of all, if you wanna say I am sorry, you will say Ana asifun. In Urdu, माजरत, माफ कीजिएगा. Okay, the second one, if you wanna say in English, I am angry, you will say أنا غاضب. In Urdu, मैं गुस्सा हूँ. Okay, the third one, I am afraid. In Arabic, أنا خائف. And in Urdu, मैं खौफज़दा हूँ. जी आगे देखें. I am amazed. And you will say in Arabic, أنا مندهش. I am worried. You will say in Arabic, أنا قلق. In Urdu, मैं हैरान हूँ. And أنا قلق, मैं परेशान हूँ. And the next one in English, I am hungry. You will say in Arabic, أنا جائع. मैं भूखा हूँ. And you will say in English, I am thirsty. So you would say in Arabic, أنا عطشان. मैं प्यासा हूँ. If you wanna say in English, I am aware. So you will say in Arabic, أنا عارف مدرك. You can say أنا عارف. You can say أنا مدرك. मैं जानता हूँ. मैं वाकिफ हूँ. Okay, the last one is I am drowsy. أنا نعسان. मुझे नींद आ रही है. أنا نعسان. So guys, this is our today's lesson. If you like my channel, if you like my lessons, subscribe my channel and share it with your friends who want to learn Arabic from very beginning to the top. Inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.